What's up everyone? I'm Jordan and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Freecom Line Half Helmet Kit. Developed in partnership with Cardo, the leader in wireless communication systems, the Harley-Davidson Freecom headset features the largest generation of Cardo dynamic mesh communication. The original Freecom is designed to fit full face or 3/4 helmets, but it can be easily adapted to your open face style helmet or half helmet with this kit. Featuring an extra long boom microphone designed for mounting on half helmets, ski helmets, and other non-motorcycle helmets. Comes with a cradle and all required mounting gear. Speakers and Freecom are not included. Enjoy all the features of the Freecom no matter what style of helmet you prefer. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Jordan, and I'll see you again next time.